pollination in Calotropis. This is an entomophilous type of pollination. Entomophily, that means pollination by insects. So this is the Calotropis flower. Here 5 corollas are very clear. And what is the peculiarity of the Calotropis? In the Calotropis, Androecium and the Gynoecium are united. So gynostemium is present. Here pentangular disc is present, which is nothing but the stigma, and here the dark purple color structures are there. So these 5 dark colored structures are nothing but the staminal corona, and the yellow colored part with black colored spot, that is nothing but the pollinia, that means the androecium, or the pollen grains, or the anther lobes. Anther lobes, they are in the form of pollinia, and in the pollinia pollen grains are present. So here this is the pentangular stigma and the pollinia. This pollinia here in this structure, it is very clear. The translator is the one part which is the dark black in color. Here you observe the dark black colored translator. Then there is the disc, caudicle and pollinia. So with this translator, this pollinia is attached to this pentangular stigma. Here this structure, these are nothing but the staminal coronas, and 5 corollas are seen. These are the staminal corona. Below the pentangular stigma, there is the staminal corona. Here this dark purple colored portion is nothing but the staminal corona. So with this green dark black colored translator, at 5 angles of this pentangular disc or the pentangular stigma, these pollinia are attached. These pollinia, they are hanging, and they are only stuck to this pentangular stigma by the translator. And there is the one disc, which disc is again a sticky disc. Now you observe this pentangular stigma, it is a landing platform for the insects. And to this landing platform, look here, one insect is sitting on this pentangular stigma, and there either by their proboscis or either by their legs, these sticky pollinia with its disc, which is the sticky disc, these attached to the legs or the proboscis of the insects. And when these insects, it take off from this flower, and then on landing on the another flower, these pollinia, they are which are attached to the legs, they are transmitted from one flower to the another flower, and then the pollination act is completed. So here the flower of Calotropis shows presence of gynostemium, which is formed by the union of gynoecium and androecium. In this flower, the androecium shows anthers in the form of pollinia. The pollinia are attached to a glandular discs by a translator. The sticky disc gets stuck to the proboscis or the legs of the bee, which visits the flower and sits on the pentangular stigma. As the pollinia are stick to the legs of the bee, and when it moves away from the flower, they are removed from the gynostemium and are carried away. When such a bee visits another flower, the sticky pollinia on the legs get stuck to the receptive surface of the stigma, and the second flower gets pollinated by the pollen mass and the pollinium from the first flower. So thus this is the insect pollinated. Nectar is there, stickiness is there, pollens are sticky, stigma is also sticky, attractive flower is there, landing platform is present. So these are the peculiarities of the entomophily.